Hello investors. So this is going to be the final IPO of 2023. This is going to be the curtain puller on the IPO season, and the company we're discussing today is Innova Captab. Without further ado, let's get into it. I am actually applying to this IPO, and here's why. First of all, a quick introduction about the company. Innova Captab is an integrated pharma company. They're into three verticals. One is the contractual development and manufacturing organization, which is called CDMO, which means they manufacture for around 14 to 15 big customers like Lupin, Cipla. They also have formulation drugs under their own banner, and they also export to other countries. They manufacture primarily capsules, tablets, and around 650 crores of their revenue in the last year came from CDMO, 165 crores came from formulation drugs which they own, and 80 crores from export. They have two plants in Himachal Pradesh, and they're also looking to start one in Jammu and Kashmir, which would be at a cost of 350 crores. The IPO size is 570 crores, which has both OFS and fresh issue, and the funds from this IPO would be used for debt reduction and other internal purposes. Quickly, the IPO details: the face value is at rupees 10 per share, the price band is 426 to 448 per share, the lot size is 33 shares, and the issue size, like we said, is 570 crore. The IPO opened on 21st, closes tomorrow, and the listing date is December 29. Let's quickly look at the financials. Well, the revenue has been increasing, and we have numbers till June 2023, and even if I extrapolate it for the entire of FY24, it would come in close to something which is same as FY23. The profit after tax, however, increased significantly in FY22, remained pretty stable in FY23, and is on course to do pretty much the same number, around 72 crores in FY24. While the reserves have increased in a steady manner, the borrowings have increased significantly, and that definitely is a cause of concern. But I also understand that the CapEx required for building a new plant and all of that definitely calls for more borrowings. The key ratios show the financial acumen and health of this company. The BE is at 31.64. The ROE, ROC show both upwards of 20 at 24.58 and 22.61%. Debt to equity is also a healthy one at 0.85. The EPS, I'm sure, will get better as the company progresses and there's more manufacturing which comes out of the Jammu and Kashmir plant. Also, please remember that they will get 6x, which is 2100 crores at GST refund from the Jammu and Kashmir plant. The listing gains right now, what you can expect based on the data we have, is around 31%. The GMP is 160 rupees. Innova Captab also competes with some of its clientele like a Sun Pharma, Cipla, but at the end of the day, majority of Innova Captab's work is around the CDMO, and their own formulation is relatively lesser. If we talk about the risks and strengths, the strength is that the management is top notch. They have a diverse range of products. They have their own manufacturing facilities. It's the fastest growing CDMO company. If you look at the risks, they have a dependency on China and Hong Kong for their raw material, and again, they're heavily reliant on some of their big customers. Like I said, I am subscribing to this IPO. Let's see if I get the allotment. This video is made purely for educational purposes. Please do your own research before investing your hard-earned money.